Today we are going to discuss the 10th topic from our English textbook. The name of this topic is A Beautiful Feather. This is a short story and a very beautiful story. So now I am going to tell you the story. On the board you can see few of the difficult words, or we can say the dictation words from the same topic, A Beautiful Feather. So this story is about a duck. You all are very familiar with the bird duck. It can swim in the water. So what happens? There is a duck. Yes, there is a duck who is walking around a farmyard. So what is a farmyard? Farmyard is an area which is around the farm building, or you might be knowing a farmhouse. So farmhouse is a house which is built in a farm, and farmyard is the area which is surrounding this farmhouse. So there was a duck who was moving about. He was just roaming about in the farmyard, and just then when it was moving, it just moved on to the pond. As we know that the duck likes to swim, and so it moves on to the pond. The farmyard is also having a pond, and so the duck just walking, it moves on to the pond. And in the pond, what does it find? It finds a big white feather. It is very happy to see this big white feather. So what does the duck do? The duck, it takes the feather out of the pond. So the feather was lying in the water of the pond. So what does the duck do? The duck takes out the white feather with its red beak. So in the picture you can see the duck. The yellow duck, here you can see the color of this duck is yellow and the beak is red colored. So what does the duck do? With the help of its red beak, the duck takes out the big white feather. And what does it do with that feather? It just puts that white feather on its tail. Okay, here in this picture you can see the duck. What has it done? It has put the feather on its tail. And after putting this feather on the tail, the duck is still moving on in the farmyard. And just when it was moving about, it was roaming about in this farmyard, he comes across the monkey. So the farmyard is also having a monkey who is playing on the trees. So the monkey, he sees that the duck is coming. So this monkey is very naughty. He is very mischievous. And what does this monkey say? The monkey, he goes to the duck and he says, "You look very funny." Yes, he recognizes that the feather on the tail of the duck is not, the feather does not belong to the duck. So he goes to the duck and he says, "You are looking very funny." Then the duck replies, she says, "I thought I would look pretty. I would look beautiful with this white feather, and so I put it on my tail." Just then, what happens? After this conversation with the monkey, the duck moves on and it goes to the horse. There is also a horse in the farmyard, and the duck, it goes to the horse and he asks the horse something. What does the duck ask? This horse in the farmyard is very big and he is brown in color. And so what does the duck ask? The duck goes to the horse and asks, "Do I look funny with this feather?" So the duck wants to make sure that whether she looks pretty or whether she looks funny with this white feather. So she goes to the horse and asks the horse, "Do I really look funny?" The horse replies, "No, you look pretty." The horse is saying, "Who said you that you are looking funny? Actually, you are looking very pretty, very beautiful." So the duck feels very happy because the horse has said that she is looking pretty. She is looking beautiful. So the duck really feels very happy. But she says, this is not your feather. It is Miss Hen's feather." So the horse replies, "You are looking very beautiful, very pretty with this white feather. But according to me, or by the idea that I have, this white feather is not yours. This white feather belongs to the hen." So the duck was not knowing whose feather it was. So the duck says, "Okay, then I will give this feather back to the hen." So what happens? Then the duck, she goes to the hen. Then what happens? Then the duck gives her white feather back to the hen. She goes to the hen and she says to the hen, this is your feather, please take it. So the hen is also happy that she has got her white big feather, and the hen thanks her for giving her white big feather back. Then what does the hen do? The hen, she puts her white feather on her tail. Here you can see the duck and the hen, they are both talking. Yes, the duck gives back the white feather to the hen, and the hen replies, she says thank you. So then the hen puts her white feather back into her tail, and the duck says, how beautiful you look with your big white feather. Then the hen also says that you too look beautiful with your yellow feathers, and you look very pretty with your yellow feathers. So the duck is having yellow feathers and the hen is having white feathers. So the duck was very much fascinated. She liked the white feather because she was not having any white feather, and so she put into her tail. But when the horse tells her that this feather belongs to the hen, she just goes to the hen and returns that big white feather. And the hen praises her. She says thank you, and she also says that you also look beautiful with your yellow feathers. So both of them are happy with their own feathers now. So students, this was the story, A Beautiful Feather. You should always be happy with what you are having. What do we learn from this story? We learn that we should be happy with all the things that we have. We should not keep worrying, or we should never complain that I don't have this, I don't have that. We all should be happy with the things that we have with us.